diving into something that is so cool, so new, and just turned onto our board. It's Google Class Tools. And what Google Class Tools allows you to do, if you are on board-managed Chromebooks,
it only works on Chromebooks.
Repeat, if you are on board-managed Chromebooks, both teacher and student, you can lock students to websites, tabs, and assignments that you've created. So this allows you to keep students focused while they should be focused.
Oh yeah!
They can't be playing games on their Chromebooks while this is happening. It works incredibly well. But that's not all. It also has a bonus feature where you can turn on captions so students can see the words you're speaking right on their screens.
Wait, there's more.
You can also have it so that it translates your words into any language so that they can see your words in their own language if that's what they need.
Let's get ready for learning!
Okay, so here we are inside of Brightspace, ready to create our Class Tools session. So, a couple things to know about Class Tools. It's going to allow us to lock our students to resources that we choose. And in high school, we don't use Google Classroom, but that doesn't matter for this. We just need to organize the links that we want to share with them, and then they're going to be able to access them that way. So here we are inside of Start a New Session. As we're not using Google Classroom, we actually don't need to click on the student section at all. The first thing we need to do is build our resources. And you can add your resources from open tabs that you have, or you can add direct links. Does not matter, and you pick which ones you want to show. So I'm going to click for now, open tabs, and I want to make sure that my students are visiting my D2L page, because this is where some work is going to be, and I'm going to add that tab. Once you've added a tab, there's actually some navigation settings that you can choose. So you can restrict students to just that web page, so they can't go anywhere else but the page you've given them, or you can restrict them just to their site, so the e-learning website itself, so they could go anywhere, or you can click no restrictions whatsoever, which means they can go literally anywhere on the internet. So it kind of defeats the purpose of this tool. But what you can also do is have them open external links, meaning if they click on a link, it will allow them to go outside of the page to that one link you've given them. Not beyond that, just to that one page. So I'll apply that for now. We'll head back, and now we can start talking captions and translations. Captions and translations allow you to turn captions on so that at the front of the screen, everyone who's watching your screen will see your captions. You'll also notice that the allow students and students to translate captions don't come on. They will not be able to be turned on until after you start the session. So let's start the session and see. Once we're ready, we click next and we choose how long we want our session to be. So this is going to be a 15-minute session, and we can do explore mode, which allows students to use any feature of their Chromebook, or focus mode, which only allows them to stay within class tools. We're working on focus mode. We're going to click start session. Now that the session has started, we have our join code. So this is what students are going to have to type in when they click on their class tools. This is now also the time we can choose to click on captions and allow students to see your captions, your voice, on their screen. If they choose, they don't have to, but it gives them the option, a button that they can turn on. And if you have some brand new English speakers, you can actually have students live translate your captions to what they're saying. Is it 100% perfect? No, but it's a great way to build some more understanding inside of your classroom. So our session's in progress. I'm going to pull up the student view so you can see exactly what it looks like for them.